This Christmas, as we Jamaicans gather with loved ones and friends, exchange gifts and share meals to celebrate the season, we are reminded of the importance of family values and caring for others, and the strength we find in coming together as a nation in unity. Christmas is a time to embrace the spirit of generosity and compassion, and to extend a helping hand to those who reach out for help and those who we know may be facing a hard time in their lives. So, as we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, born in a manger with no crib for a bed, let the true meaning of Christmas shine through by reaching out to one another in kindness and solidarity. In the spirit of Christmas, we recognize that despite our differences, we are all part of one family with a common goal of witnessing progress in our beloved Jamaica. We are also part of humanity and a global community, so we pray for peace and an end to the wars and conflicts that are impacting vulnerable and defenseless civilians across the world. I wish to use this opportunity of the Christmas season to extend a special word of gratitude to those who have tirelessly served our Jamaican family throughout the year. Our healthcare workers, our teachers, police officers, soldiers and firefighters, indeed, all those who work for the well-being of our society. They deserve our heartfelt appreciation. Their dedication and sacrifice must never be taken for granted. I wish my entire Jamaican family a Christmas filled with love, joy, and peace. As we cherish these moments spent with loved ones, let us draw inspiration from the birth of Jesus Christ to face the future with renewed hope and optimism. Let the spirit of Christmas guide us towards a future where unity triumphs over division and where our collective efforts propel Jamaica to becoming a better, more just and caring society. Merry Christmas, Jamaica.